we're out at Keewaydin Island, and we dinghied in from Agape, and I was kind of looking at the dinghy, and it's pretty rough. 6,000 miles in the loop, and it's looking a little beat up. Definitely needs some TLC. So, anyways, we decided to go look for some shells. So there's a little pathway. I think you've seen that before. It goes out to the beach. So I got a couple pictures. These are mostly pictures, a couple videos, but there's shells everywhere. I mean, everywhere you go, there's thousands and tons. Like you could put them in wheelbarrows or so many shells. So scallops, a lot of scallops we found today, and they were live, washed up, had meat in them. So it was a little cold this morning. Michelle had to take her shoes off to wade in the water, and so she's kind of walking around. She had her shoes back on that video, on that picture. And of course Stella's with us as usual. She doesn't like to get her butt wet, so she sits on her haunches, watches Michelle. So in the background you'll see some people. Oh, I think this is just a video of her walking. Overcast this morning. This was about 8 o'clock, I guess. And, there were these little conchs. I don't know what they are. They're little shells. Clams? No, they're not clams. Definitely some kind of conch. Thousands of them everywhere. And they would, I guess when the tide went out, they were stuck here, and then they would pop themselves out of the sand. So it looks like they've been dug up, but that's them getting out of the sand. We kept some of those. We're gonna try using those for bait. So I decided to walk back because I was cold, and Michelle's still on the beach looking for shells. So I took some video of pelicans, and Stella decided she was gonna run. She's not supposed to run. She's got a bum leg. Took some more pictures of shells and scallops, and of course more pictures of Stella. I know you guys love looking at Stella. I get a lot of things. More Stella, kind of like a cowbell. Oh, crane footprints. Thought that was kind of cool. Michelle took this picture of the starfish. It was in the water, which was pretty neat. And then these are this is a picture of the shells that she got, that she collected while she was out doing her thing. So we're back on the boat, and this group of kayakers are paddling by. So I got my camera out, took a picture. There's a bunch of them. They said they're a group called Paddle Florida or something like that. So they're camping, and they're paddling against the current. So I'm assuming they're going to turn around and head back before the current changes. So anyways, that's just a little of our day at Keewaydin Island.